This video explains how to create a distribution list through HostingController. A distribution list is a group of email addresses. It provides an easy way to send email messages to a group of people at once. Microsoft Exchange refers to it as a distribution group and allows you to create mail-enabled distribution groups, security groups, and dynamic distribution groups. HostingController enables you to create all these distribution groups through its interface. To create a distribution list, log into the control panel as the tenant admin, also known as the customer. You will land on the dashboard. Navigate to the left menu. Click the provisioning drop-down and hit the Exchange menu. From the list of organizations, select the organization under which the distribution list is to be created and hit the Distribution Lists button. Here you will find all the distribution lists for that organization. To create the new distribution list, click the Create Distribution List button. Exchange offers 3 types of distribution groups, namely Distribution Group, Security Group, and Dynamic Distribution Group. A distribution group is a mail-enabled distribution group that can be used only to distribute messages. A security group is a mail-enabled group that can be used to distribute messages as well as to grant access permissions to resources in Active Directory. A dynamic distribution group is a group whose membership is based on specific recipient filters rather than a defined set of recipients. The recipient list is based on the filters and conditions that you define. An email message sent to a dynamic distribution group is delivered to all recipients in the organization that match the criteria defined for that group. Here we will demonstrate the creation of a simple distribution group. To create a new distribution list, select New List. To mail-enable an existing security group, choose an existing list. Type in a display name for the group. It will use the same name for the email address. Choose whether you would like to allow senders both outside and inside of your Exchange organization to send messages to the distribution group. Specify an owner for the distribution group. A distribution group can have multiple owners. Specify the members of the distribution group. Select an offering for the distribution group. Finally, define the message size for the incoming messages. The default size is 10 megabytes, and then hit the Create Distribution List button. A new distribution list will be created. HostingController also allows you to track down various operations and record events through its audit logging facility. Audit logs are only available to the global admin. To view the event log for the creation of the distribution list, log out to the admin user. Click the Configurations cog on the top and hit the Audit Logs menu under System. Select the tenant who created the distribution list and hit the Audit Logs button under the Actions column. You will find a complete log of the distribution list with the kind of operation performed, timestamp, the IP log, and the action type of the CRUD operation. You may also view the full details of the log. HostingController provides APIs for all its operations. It also provides APIs for Exchange distribution lists. These APIs can be used by DevOps to automate their workflows. They can use any scripting language capable of calling REST APIs. HostingController offers the following API methods for Exchange distribution lists. To view HostingController APIs, follow the link below. Create all types of distribution lists through HostingController. Moreover, nominate administrators and assign members to the groups. Try HostingController today.